I will quickly show you a method that is generally acceptable in all applications in the course of this training video. So log into your AutoCAD. So I'll be using the AutoCAD application here. So be it you are using Civil 3D, AutoCAD, land development, or whatsoever, this particular method is going to work for you. AutoCAD, you open it, okay, you are going to see the interface this way. So you click on start drawing. All right, so it's gonna open a new work environment. So I'm just going to off the grid lines. Okay, so when you have your AutoCAD opened, okay, the next thing is to open the SWDTM. Okay, so this is a terrain model plugin. Okay, and I'm going to incorporate this plugin with AutoCAD to generate all my design, okay, that I'm in need of. Okay, so all you have to do is to open this plugin as well. So you can check under the video description to see the download link to this plugin freely. Okay, so you can download and make use of it. Let's quickly dive into the longitudinal profile creation. So to design your longitudinal profile, all you have to do is to extract your information. So we are going to be needing the coordinates in the course of creating the longitudinal or L profile. All right, so all we need is the FRL description, okay, as well as the point to some extent. So here you cannot close this work environment. We do not need this information. So this is the information we need that has been extracted: the point, the elevation, as well as the description respectively. So this is the information we are going to be needing to create the longitudinal profile. So to create the longitudinal profile, the process is almost the same. You just highlight the information from the 0 point down to the description, then down to the very last data on the Excel sheets. So this is the last information. So I'm not going to quickly repeat that. Sorry. Okay, so when it's highlighted, the same process: open your AutoCAD environment, open your source, plug in, okay, then click on S section. Okay, then you scroll down to draw L profile. Okay, then you click on L profile. Okay, so here on L profile, all right, you click on this, then you click from Excel. Okay, from Excel, click on that. Then here you can click on include all changes, so that it will read all changes you have that is actually loaded or tabulated on your Excel. Okay, so you can leave this on default. So paper size, you click on up, but if you want your paper size, depending on what you want, A1, A2 or A3, okay, you can check that, but I'm going to leave it at all. Okay, so horizontal scale 1 to 100, 1000 to 100. Okay, so you can actually do some settings with it. If you want it to be 1000 to 1000, that is a full scale. Okay, you can edit that. Okay, but I'm going to leave it on default. Number of rows, number of columns, and column distances. So column distances, you can choose to, okay, make it 25. Row distances, you can actually leave it to be on default. Okay, then you click on execute, then you click on draw all. Okay, so here below you are just going to, okay, make sure you give it a little bit space because it's gonna be bigger depending on your information. Okay, so that is just that. Okay, this is the profile that has been generated. So here you can see chainage 0 plus 0 0 2 2 plus 475. That's like what we have here on our surface design. All right, so that's just how to create the longitudinal profile of your route survey. Okay, so if this training is so helpful and insightful to you, do it to share, as well as hit on subscribe icon and turn on your notification to keep getting free tutorial from this channel. So you can actually decide to change the color of the profile. Okay, you can actually make it red depending. You click on the profile, right click, come to quick properties, then come to by layer, then make it red. So you can actually make it thicker a bit. So I'm just going to make this 0.2. Okay, so you can see it's thicker and more visible. So you can decide to make it more thicker depending on what you want. So it's more visible this way. So that is just the profile. So you can decide to put information, your name, whatsoever information you need, and some other details